Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayusri Andini. I agribusiness study program, Faculty of Agriculture, Muhammadiyah University of Jember. Here, I will discuss the characteristic of tropical storm and their impact on rainfall anomalies in Indonesia by Diahwanti, Effendi, and Adiningsi. Tropical cyclones are low-pressure systems that form in tropical regions and play a significant role in global atmospheric circulation. Although they don't directly impact Indonesia, due to its location near the equator, the impacts of tropical cyclones are still felt throughout Indonesia, include heavy rainfall, strong winds, flooding, and transmission disruption. This research aims examine the physical characteristics of tropical storm, such as temperature, air pressure, and wind speed at the center of the storm, and their impact on rainfall anomalies and extreme weather in Indonesia. Analysis in cyclones and their impact. The research used satellite data, weather station record, and meteorological tools. Research method number 1, time and place, May-September 8 Jakarta. Number 2, data usage, GMS and 3ME, satellite image, year rainfall data. Number 3, Indonesia and Australia stores. Number 4, flash tape, process satellite imagery, cyclone track and intensity compare, rainfall during cyclones versus normal analysis, wind direction and speed. This study examined two tropical cyclone events in the southern Indian Ocean, Ceylon Can and Ceylon 5. This region frequently experiences tropical cyclones, especially in January to March, because the sun is directly over the Indian Ocean, heating the waters and trading cyclone formation. Number 1, cyclone can have a low intensity. Number 2, cyclone 5 had a high intensity. Tropical cyclone did not occur in June to September because the ocean temperature was not warm enough to provide energy. The Indian Ocean is vast and has a significant influence on extreme weather in Indonesia, even though storms do not form directly within it. Ceylon King developed in the southern Indian Ocean from January with low intensity and was classified as a tropical storm. In its mature phase, the cyclone was location between. Although relatively weak, cyclone can impact rainfall around Darwin, Australia, and Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. Its maximum diameter was approximately with direction and speed. Cyclone King development from January in the southern Indian Ocean with low intensity with a maximum speed and was classified as a tropical storm and formed a clockwise vortex. Typical of cyclones in the southern hemisphere, wind speed varied from peaking on January. The silence lasted for 6 days, reaching its mature phase in 4 days. The weakening as a moved inland over the final energy due to reduced water vapor and latent heat is moved and observation for and from indication a shift toward higher latitudes before finally weakening and dissipating. Rainfall dari Silonkin, only the observation station Tanjung Priok and treaties experienced an increased rainfall compared to the average. Conversely, stations such as Bandung, Bima, Cilacap, and others experienced decreased rainfall, while one station, Perak, showed normal rainfall. Silon 5 occurred on March with a high intensity category 4 storm and a diameter. Due to its high intensity, it produced more rain clouds, particularly over Bali and Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. Silon 5 had significant high wind speed. The Silon as it was a category 4 at the beginning of its formation. Wind speed were low, but then sharply reach a peak as it is mature pace. Typical of silence in the southern hemisphere. After mature, wind speeds begin to gradually decrease as it interacts in the maze, moving towards land and losing in energy source. Silon 5 hit a lifespan of longer than Silon King due to its greater intensity. The formation to maturely pass a length 7 days, then entered a 2-day that passed, and as it moved toward land, thus losing in energy source in the form of water vapor and latent heat. Rainfall dari Silon 5, rainfall exceeded at 8 observation stations such as Banyuwangi, Bima, Bojosari, ranging approximately of the total in Java, Bali, and Nusa Tenggara. This excuse occurred in areas close to the Shillons. Explain however rainfall decreased at 9 stations such as Bandung, Jatiwangi, Perak, representing of the total. Overall, Silon 5 impact on rainfall variant depending on its proximity to the Silon Spike, Bali, and Nusa Tenggara, where the regions in Indonesia most affected by the increased rainfall caused by this silon. Comparison of Silon characteristics. Tropical silence in the southern Indian Ocean. Discrete characteristics depending on their intensity. Silon King with intensity and Silon 5 strong intensity. Exhibited striking differences in various parameters such as wind speed, lifespan, diameter, and impact on rainfall. These differences are are summarized in table number 1 for comparison. Conclusion. Ceylon can hand a weak intensity with a duration of days and a maximum wind speed, where Ceylon had a strong intensity, a duration, and maximum wind speed of observation station experience and increase in rainfall. Conversely, during Ceylon 5, stations recorded an increase in rainfall, experienced a decrease. The indicators that the strong in tropical Ceylon, the greater its impact on rainfall anomalies in Indonesia. Okay, maybe there's something we want to discuss. That's all my presentation. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.